Hey, you want to know how I did this voiceover?
So today I'm gonna show you how to do that voiceover or this text to speech. Um, First off, I have two pictures here I just randomly found on Google, and I will add a little story to this. I go to record and create, and down here you see create text to speech. You click on that one, and here you get a language you can choose, whatever language you want. We will pick English, and you have a different of voices here that shows this Adam guy. And now I can write whatever I want. I just come up with this random shit I found. This Greek god lived here in this magical castle. I will press save. Now if you watch this, it will sound like this.
This Greek god lived here in this magical castle.
That's basically it. That's all you have to do. It's so easy. Hope you find this video useful.